Hello guys, welcome back to LeetCode. So in our SQL series where we have been solving some top 50 questions from LeetCode, I'm back with another brand new question, investments in 2016. Okay, so without any delay, let's start with this question. Now in this question we have been given a table insurance, and this table contains 5 columns. Okay, where we have this PID, which is the policy ID. Okay, the policy ID is the primary key of this table. Okay, and each row of this table contains information about one policy, where PID is the policyholder's ID. Okay, and TIV underscore 2015 represents the investment value in 2015, and TIV 2016 represents the investment value in 2016, and lat and long are the latitude and longitude of that particular city. Okay, and these two values cannot be null. So this was about a table. Now what we have to do with this table is we have to write a solution to report the sum of all investment value in 2016, that is TIV, total investment value 2016, for all policyholders who have same total investment value in 2015 and are not located in same city. So how you will check whether they are located in same city or not? By checking their latitude and longitude, and we have to return the result up to 2 decimal places. Okay, so this is the example. Let's understand it. So this is the example for our insurance table. Okay, now what is the condition? The condition is as follows, that the value of total insurance value in 2015 should be equal for those two policy holders, and the latitude longitude value should be different. That means they should not fall in same city. Okay, if these two conditions are matching, then return the sum of total investment value of year 2016. Okay, so if you look at the table carefully, policy ID 1 and policy ID 4 follow the conditions. The value of their total investment value in 2010 value of their total investment value in 2015 is same, which is 10. Okay, and the latitude longitude value of both the policy IDs is different, which is 10 and 40. Okay, that means they are not falling in the same city. Fine. If we understand it more deeply, that the count of total investment value 2015 should be greater than 1. Okay, if this thing is happening, that means the two policy IDs are satisfying the first condition. Fine. Now second condition is the latitude longitude value should not be equal. That means it should be unique. Okay, as in our policy ID 2 and policy ID 3, the latitude longitude value is same, which is not unique. Okay, that's why they are not following the second condition. So for that, our latitude longitude value should be unique. That means the count of that latitude longitude should not be greater than 1. If we check this question, if we relate the conditions with the value of count, so the value of total investment value in 2015 should be greater than 1. Okay, that means it should not be unique, and the value of latitude and longitude should be unique. Okay, so the same thing we have to apply in our SQL query to solve this question. So let's start with the question. Okay, so here I will select the total investment value 2016 column, and I will calculate the sum of that column. Okay, because this is what is required in our question. So we will using sum function, we will calculate the sum of total investment value in 2016. Okay, and we will name it as 2016. And from where we are taking all this data? From our insurance table. Now here is the time for condition. So we will use our where clause, where First condition is for this column, that is total investment value in 2015. So where total investment value in 2015 in, and I will use a subquery over here which will check if the count of that value is greater than 1 or not. So I will select our total investment value of 2015 year from our insurance table, and we will group the results. Okay, as you can see, the values are repeating, that is the value of 10 is repeating for that particular column. So we will group it and we will check having count, the total count. Okay, the total count should be greater than 1. Okay, so what will this result in? This will result in these 3 values. Okay, as you can see, the 10 is repeating 3 times, so it will result in these 3 values. This subquery will return us the count if the total investment value is repeating or not. Okay, and the second condition is, so and now we have to check the latitude and longitude, whether that policyholder is falling in the same city or not. So for that we will check for latitude and longitude. We'll use a subquery where I will, let's copy it, and instead of this I will use latitude and longitude, and this latitude and longitude should be unique. Okay, that means the policyholder should be lying in some unique city. No two policyholders should have same city. For that I will use having count, which is 1. Okay, this will return us the person with unique city. Fine, now let's run it and check if it is correct or not. I have to check for all the cities. So count star. Okay, I forgot to mention we are using count as a count function. So for count function we have to pass a parameter. Okay, so our query is correct and we got our expected output. Let's submit it. So do practice the same question in your LeetCode. It's quite easy, and do let me know in comment section if it is helping to you. Share it with your friends. Do subscribe SheCodes if you haven't subscribed, because I have already done some 40 to 42 questions of this series, and I'll be coming up with more such series which will help you to brush up your skills for placements and interviews. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. Happy coding.